Smells like orange sorbet to me. Love it. Hi, I'm Sarah. So I'm currently 6 months pregnant and this is my Mecca skin. I'll be running through my current tweaked PM regime. I so miss my retinols, but that's okay. We've tweaked it a little bit. The first thing I do is pull back all of this hair. So just grab it hair tight, clip my hair back. And because I have a fringe, I just like to clip my fringe back because I don't want to get my hair wet and all messy with all the products. I just use like a facial headband just to make sure it's all well and truly back. Yep, I think we're good. So the first step I like to go in with is this beautiful Tatcha cleansing oil. I see this as a makeup remover. So this is the first part of my double cleanse, which I'll explain a little bit later. This breaks down everything. Full face of makeup, I'm talking waterproof eyes, mascara, lipstick, you name it, it takes it all off. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple of pumps. So I like to warm it up a little bit and then massage really gently upward. I really enjoy taking off my makeup because it's really, one, pampering for me, and it's kind of like a nice little self moment. And then down the neck as well. And with the eye area, I'm super, super, super gentle because we don't want to increase more collagen breakdown around this area. And I get right in the hairline as well because we all put bronzer up there. So I just spent about 30 to 60 seconds just melting and breaking up the makeup. And now I just take a muslin cloth to remove, just with gentle sweeping motions, especially around the eye area. We don't want to be rubbing and tugging. And the great thing about muslin cloths is that it kind of acts like a mild exfoliant. Second cleansers for me are usually like cream cleansers, gel, foaming, depending on your skin type. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. It's super gentle but very effective. So it's sulfate free, it's soap free, which is great for me. But the best thing about it is it contains AHAs. So it's alpha hydroxy acids and it's perfectly safe for pregnancy. I also like to use a cleansing device with my cleansing products. This here is the Foreo Luna Mini. What I like to do is just dampen my face a little bit. Comes out like a cream. I like to foam it up manually because I want to get the bubbles going because that's when the product gets activated. Once it's like foamed up, that's when I massage it all over. This is waterproof as well, so it lives in the shower. And then turn it on. And I work in sections around the face. So I start about here and then I work around the temples, make my way around. I work in small, gentle, circular motions and I kind of go up as well. So I never drag it down. It provides you with pulsonic waves, like vibrations in the skin. So it loosens up all the, the dirt, the grime and any like excess makeup that's been left behind. So it makes your skin look really radiant and fresh and youthful. Who doesn't want that? So I like my skin feeling clean, not squeaky clean. For me, there's a difference between the two. So clean to me is balanced, refreshed, not tight, comfortable, ready to go for the next products. Squeaky clean to me sounds really tight and uncomfortable and almost raw. So your skin should never feel that tight or uncomfortable after cleansing. After a good minute, I just rinse it all away. And then pat dry. Super important. You don't want to rub and tug on the skin. Perfect. Clean. So this is my Mecca skin, all fresh, clean, comfortable, not tight, which is really important for me. So after cleansing, I like to go in with the gentle, hydrating, calming essence. This is the Tatcha essence and it's beautiful. Today, I just want to use a little cotton round just to make sure nothing has been left behind from the cleansing process. Gentle sweeping motions. I find essences and toners aren't like a must have in a regime, but if you do choose to add it into your regime, it means that your serums and your moisturizers are gonna go even deeper into the skin. So the next step is serum for me, but in this case it's an oil, because I'm all about looking glowy these days. This is the CEO Glow from Sunday Riley. It's full of vitamin C and it's also got turmeric in there as well, which is a known antioxidant. You really just need 2, 3, 4 drops. And I always like to warm up my oils as well because I find that it just activates the oils into the skin. So I just like to gently press and don't forget the neck. And the next step is eye cream, because we can't forget about the eyes. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross C and Collagen Eye Cream that I love to use. Vitamin C in the long run is known to boost collagen production as well, which is great. And then gently press. I start on the orbital bone area. I go right out here as well, where the crow's feet wrinkles usually are. And then just what's ever left on your fingers, press onto the brow bone. And then we're almost there, is face cream, face moisturizer. So this is to go with the CEO oil. This is the CEO moisturizer. Again, less is more with products for me. I just gently press it into the skin. I don't bring it to the eye area because I've already applied eye cream there, and I think face cream is just a bit too rich for that delicate area. All right, lips. This is the Tatcha lip mask. I've only recently used this and I absolutely love it. It's just nourishing. It gives you the most silkiest, plump lips the very next day. And I absolutely love wearing this every night before bed. Thank you so much for watching my little pregnancy routine for the evening. My skin feels absolutely plump and hydrated, and I'm gonna go to bed.